and my project opens, and boom, we have our first problem. And we have this strange thing right here, right? So this is a problem using Unreal Engine 5.4 and 5.5. And this is the problem. So I'm gonna show to you how we can fix this problem. But first, you need to like this video, correct? So this is using Unreal Engine 5.3. So if I got, oops, don't crash. Okay, so now we have two of this, and we can manipulate, we can generate new, how can I say, project. We can generate a lot of different landscapes. So everything works because we are at 5.3. Let me just check if everything right here looks fine. So yeah, we generate a beautiful landscape, or at least a tileable landscape, super fast using stamp brushes. So this asset right here are from Mirror Mix Brush, we have in Blender, we have in Unreal, and we have at Gumroad. So if you got in the Gumroad, you will get the Unreal Engine and the Blender. So I got my version right here, and I think now is at the same price. Yes, 15. So you can grab the two version, and you will have for Unreal and Blender, or you can buy separately. Right here means 15 bucks. Yes, because yes, 82. Let's open our project using 5.5. So I have the 5.5 or the 5.4. I will let in the 5.5 just to experimenting. Looks like it's fine, but let's scale 5 times. And now you can see this problem right here. Alright? But do you understand a little bit how you will identify this problem? I will close my project, dump save, and to promote my own course. So this one right here is my project. I will get revision, get latest revision, force, replace, and now scoping. So this is my method of backup using source control in Unreal Engine 5. So I made a brand new course about it. If you want it, do you never lose your progress, you can buy my course so you will understand how to use the Perforce using Unreal Engine 5 and 4. So I not made any trailer yet about this course, however, it's the same thing I'm doing right here. So I'm restoring my project to the initial setup. Okay, so like instead of re-download this thing, I can restore my progress. Okay, so now my project I restored. Okay, and if I open this project again, it will be the same thing you will have. So it will be the same problem. I'm gonna show to you right now. And my project opens, and boom, we have our first problem, correct? So I will click in pick, and I will move one unit, and now I will restore to 0. And we have this strange thing right here, right? So this is a problem using Unreal Engine 5.4 and 5.5. So we can see some steepness right here, correct? And this is the problem. So I'm gonna show to you how we can fix this problem. But first, you need to like this video, correct? So I hope you already liked this video. So let's fix this. So using the Unreal Engine 5.3, we have this beautiful project. I will reopen the miscellaneous, 90, 90, 92. We have these textures. So I will find this texture in my content browser. So it's these three textures. We can see all of them are red, and this is my height information. So we have this information 32 MB, and the format are using G16. So how we can fix this? Because in the Unreal Engine 5, if we open this height information, we have this format completely strange, are using the double of size, and also we have new special methods right here in the texture. So we have this availability using GPU or CPU, and we have some new information right here. And if we return to 5.3, we don't have this. All right. So in the texture, we just have power of 2. We don't have that CPU and GPU, and these are at the correct format. So if we change this, so now how we can fix this problem? We're gonna need to edit all textures. Okay, so all textures, we need to change the format. So this is how we're gonna fix this. So if you can go manually, but I will show to you how to fix everything in just few clicks. Okay, so right here in the compression settings of my height information, we click right here. So you need to see in the compression tab. If you don't see this, oops, sorry, I misclick. If you click in this icon, you can expand all categories, or you can collapse it and you go to compression. Now in the compression settings, you click right here and you change it to grayscale. Okay, of course we need to have G16. However, if we use the displacement, everything will be white, so we don't need this. And let's see if we have different methods like this. Not is working also, so let's use grayscale. All right, because I've exported this texture to the Photoshop, and right here in the channels we have just the gray. All right, so we need to put grayscale value right here in the compression settings. Grayscale. Now the format are G16. We click in save. I will make this writable because I'm using Perforce, this beautiful software, and this not fix it yet. So how we can fix this? We need to update the position. So yeah, now we have this brush fixed. However, this one right here not is fixed yet. But first let's add more details, correct? So I will put this one right here. So first of all, we click in this icon. We'll open our content, terrain remix brushes, miscellaneous brush textures. So how we gonna fix this? We're gonna, in the beginning, Ctrl A to select everything. We selected 640 textures. Right click, accept actions, edit selection in property matrix. Yes. So we have all of these textures right here. Okay, so let's return 640 textures. So all of these textures are 4K resolution. If your computer don't deal with this, so let's wait a little bit and we change like for 40 to 40 or 50 to 50. I'm gonna show to you. But in my case, all 640 texture using 4K resolution are loaded, and right here in the compression settings, we change this to grayscale. I've already clicked, so my computer freeze. Let's wait a lot of time. I will click and we can see everything right here are grayscale. We click in save. I will mark everything, make writable, and now this process, it will save all the 640 textures. So this is good, they dump the memory. Great. So this will take just a few instants and everything, it will be fine. Great. So everything looks fine right now. And if I, of course, I need to update the position. So we can see we still have the problem. I will click in each, move one unit. Of course I can click in this peak. Right here R10, I will use 11. Now I return to 10. Just change the Z scale and you will be fine, right? So this one right here also are with problem. Maybe speak 2. I will put 1, update, return to 0. And yeah, looks fine. Or of course I could, yeah, I can't return, but I will put like 0. And now Ctrl Z. Let's see if everything is at 0. Yeah, sorry. Now it's 10, now it's 0. Yeah, now it's fine. So this not will work as I expected, but now we fix this. Sorry. Play from here. I will use F11, Shift 11. Let's see how we set FPS. D.max FPS 1000. Yeah, 150. Yeah, so this is looking good. Of course, we can change the illumination. Where is directional light? Movable. Bar shadow. We can play from here. 170, and that's it. We fixed the problem, so everything is fine. We can continue using the terrain mix brush using Unreal Engine R. So this course right here is mine. If you want to use this, I'm gonna show to you. You can buy. So this is like $10. And now what I need to do is, let's say I want to save this progress. I will content, save all, save selected. I will make this writable. Okay, I will close this. I will open my P4V. I will reconcile my offline work. And everything is fine, reconcile. I will go right here, I will submit. Fixed landscape terrain. Okay. I will click in submit. And now I am uploading all of my files that was modified in the Unreal Engine to the server. So in the future, of course, I can return to the how it was before, like we made in the beginning of the video. And yeah, so this is just to promote my course also. So please buy it because I need money. My YouTube channel not is monetized yet. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I see you